Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we're going to discuss the question set 25. So the first question is we have to find the average obtained in the first term mathematics subject. So for that I am writing a query. Let's head to our SQL and type in the query. So we are using the average keyword and then we are going to use mark. So I'm going to find the average of the mark column from student exam marks record. This table where exam term id is equals to 1. So if it is equals to 1, that means it is the first term. So we can see the exam term id. If it is 2, it is second term. If it is 1, it's the first term. And then we're going to select the subject id is equals to 1. So the subject id is 1 means it's mathematics. So once I run the query, we can see that the average mark is 76.22. So that's how we find the average of any given column mark. And since I have used a where clause, I have narrowed down the search to one result. Now let's go to the next question. Find the average obtained in the second term Sinhala subject. So that is also the same thing. So let's type in select average mark column from the student exam mark record table, where exam term id is equals to 2. 2 means it's a second term, and then subject id 3 means it's the Sinhala subject. And then when we execute this SQL command, we get the average of the Sinhala subject in the second term. Now let's go to the next question. Find the average of the marks obtained by Sachitra Vikramasinghe student in all subjects in the examination held in 2020 July 10th. So to do this, let's head back to the SQL, and I have already typed in the command. So I'm going to use select average from the mark column from student exam mark record, and since I need the first name and the last name, I'm going to use the inner join. So I'm going to inner join the student table with the student exam mark record table, and since I need the exam date as well, I'm going to inner join the exam term with the student exam mark record table as well. So now let me execute this command, and you can see the average is 63.09. So I have included Sachitra Vikramasinghe and I have also selected the exam date and narrowed down our search. Let's go to the next question. Find the average of the marks obtained by Sachitra Vikramasinghe in all subjects. So we finished this question. Let's go to the next one. Arrange the marks obtained by all the students of class 11A in first term in ascending order. So we have to find the average of all the students in grade 11A first term in ascending order. So let's head back to our SQL, and now I'm going to paste in the query which I have already written. So we are going to select the average mark from student exam. Let's check the question again to arrange the marks. So it's always the average here. So we're going to select the average mark from student exam mark record. Since I want the class name and the term name, I'm going to inner join the class with the student table. So I have already inner joined the student table and I have inner joined the exam term and the class, since I need the class name and the term name. And we have found the average mark, and if we have a lot of marks, we can order it by ascending order. So if you want to make it in descending order, you can use the command, you can use the keyword DESC. Alright, so that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.